In this video, you will learn how to add multiple languages in LangShop to your Shopify store. From your LangShop admin, open LangShop Settings, Languages section. To add additional languages to your online store, click on the Add New button at the right top corner and select languages from the list that you want to display for your customers. When you add a new language, LangShop will pop up the window and offer you to translate all categories in the store automatically. If you prefer to manage translations manually, use the LangShop export file formats or submit orders to a TextMaster professional agency, choose the button I will translate manually. According to Shopify API policy, you can add 5 additional languages to your online store. If you are on the Shopify Plus plan, you can add 20 languages. By default, the new language will be set in LangShop as unpublished. If you're ready to launch the new language for international buyers, choose the language by clicking on it and publish. In case you're managing international domains on Shopify, you might need to connect languages to domains too. Open Manage Domains link that will redirect you to Shopify Domains settings. Choose the domain, click Manage, select Languages, and save changes. When you select languages and translate your theme, you may also add a language switcher to your Shopify store. Check out our next video, how to add a language switcher in LangShop. If you have any questions about managing your online store with our translation app, comment down below, visit our live chat, give us a call, or write an email. Thanks for watching.